Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a timetable on a Google spreadsheet. So you just need to open the Google spreadsheet, and whenever you open it, you will have this one or this page to start your work. To create a timetable, you need to go at the title here. I would like to add a timetable. Okay, and after that, just need to click the cells that you want to add or you want to start the tables. So I would like to start it here on a B10, and this B10 I would like to type time / days. So on this column, start from C columns until here, I would like to add the days information, while for the rows from 11 and so on, I would like to add the time. So here I already prepared it to you so that we can make it first back in the sheets, and after that you just need to add the information, which is start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And for the time, it will be gonna start from 7 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. Okay, whenever you already have this information, you need to add the color for the title to make it easier differentiated with the rest information. You need to block it. Whenever you block it, you just need to go click this part and choose the color that you want to add for the titles. For example, if you want to go with the blue, you just need to choose what blue that you want to add, as well as the time. You also need to block it, the rows, and add the color with the same step. Here now we already have it. Now you just need to go add the scheduled here at the Monday on the 7th, what materials that you will learn in a school, for example math. So this math will be start from 7 to 8, so you will learn math for an hour. So you just need to go block the cells from C11 to C12 here, and after that you just need to merge the cells so that they will become one cells. And don't forget to adjusting the positions too by go click this A symbols, go click this to put it in the middle, as well as this part. Now we already have a math and start from 7 to 8 and 9 to 10. Let's say from 9 to 10 you will have biology material or biology lessons from 9 to 11. Let's say you learn biology for 2 hours, so you just need to block until the specific times, which is 9 to 11, since you learn for 2 hours, and you just need to merge the cell as previously we have. And after that, just go click this and put it in the middle right there. Okay, since we have a break time on 12 to 1, so you need to block this part, the C12 until C13 or C16 to C17, and block it to the rest until Tuesday. And after that you need to merge it and put the information break time. Okay, let's make it upper stop break time. Okay, whenever you're done, don't forget to put it in the middle right there. So you just need to do the rest, guys. You just need to do the rest. Okay, so for from 2, what material or what lesson that you want to have, for example like sociology, and so on and so on. And this is the final result, the final looks of the timetables. We already filled all of the part, and we just need to add the border or the line so that it can be easier to be read. You just need to go click this part and go add the border for everything or every part. So here's the way to create a times table on a Google spreadsheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.